spirit of scouting. As you become scout, you will learn more about scouting spirit. The law of the group is the law of the scout. It is known and followed by millions of scouts. You will learn to follow this law too. The senior patrol leader and some scouts will now recite for you the parts of this law. You listen closely, or I will soon ask you whether you accept this law as you can.
Trustworthy. A scout tells the truth. He keeps his promises. Honesty is part of his code of conduct. People can always depend on him. Loyalty. A scout is true to his family, friends, scout leaders, school, nation, and world community.